The rabbits keep stealing our vegetables, Moby. We should build a fence around our class garden. First, we'll need to figure out the perimeter. What is perimeter? The perimeter is the total distance around something. You can think of the perimeter as an outline around something. The lines in the grass show the perimeter of the soccer field. The fences show the perimeter of each piece of land. The map shows the perimeter of each state. But you can also find the perimeter of small things, like my notebook. Good question, Moby. How do you find the perimeter? You can find the perimeter of a shape or figure by adding the lengths of all of its sides. Each side of this packet of seeds is 10 centimeters long. To find the perimeter, add the lengths together. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. You can skip count by 10 to find the sum. 10, 20, 30, 40. The perimeter is 40 centimeters. Let's find the perimeter of the carrot section of the garden. To find the perimeter, add the lengths together. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 5. I know it's a long number sentence, so that's why I add the easier numbers first. Let's see. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So now I add 4 plus 3 plus 5. I know 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. The perimeter of the carrot section is 12 feet. It's helpful to break up long number sentences into smaller ones to help you add. What's the perimeter of this shape? Add the lengths together to find out. 3 plus 5 plus 7. I know that 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the perimeter of the shape is 15 centimeters. Figuring out the perimeter can help you build or design things. We want to build a fence that goes around our class garden. What's the perimeter of the garden? I know our class garden is 6 feet wide and 4 feet long. Add up all of the measurements to find the perimeter. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. I know that 6 plus 4 makes 10. So now I add 10 plus 10. That's equal to 20. The perimeter of the garden is 20 feet. Since we know the perimeter, we can figure out how much fencing we need to put around. It's snack time. Do you want to split this with me? There are 8 slices, and there are 2 of us. How many slices do we each get? When you divide, you take a larger group and split it into smaller groups. We can divide 8 by 2 to find out how many slices we each get. How can you subtract to help you divide? You can subtract a number over and over again to solve a division sentence. How many times can you subtract 2 from 8? I know that 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We subtracted 4 times until we got to 0. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. We can check our work by taking the 8 slices and making 2 equal groups. We each get 4 slices. Whoa, that's a lot of pizza. Some friends are sharing pretzels. There are 12 pretzels and 4 people. How many pretzels does each person get? You can divide 12 by 4 to find the answer. Subtract 4 over and over again until you get to 0. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We subtracted 3 times, so 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Each person gets 3 pretzels. Who wants some animal crackers? There are 25 animal crackers and 5 people. How many does each person get? Divide 25 by 5 to get the answer. We can also write it this way. How many times can you subtract 5 from 25? 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. We subtracted 5 times, so 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. We each get 5 animal crackers. What other strategies can help you divide? Becca is selling snack boxes to raise money. She wants to raise $12. How many boxes does she have to sell? Divide 12 by 2 to find the answer. You can use a number line to help you divide. Start at 12 and count back by 2s until you get to 0. We counted back 6 times. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. She has to sell 6 boxes to raise $12. Related facts use the same numbers with opposite operations. You can use related multiplication facts to help you solve division sentences. To solve this number sentence, think of its related multiplication sentence. What number multiplied by 7 is equal to 14? I know that 2 times 7 is equal to 14. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. You can also use a fact triangle to help you solve division sentences. What is 20 divided by 5? What number can be multiplied by 5 to get to 20? I know that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4.